Have you ever felt like you're trying, but getting nowhere? Like everyone around you is moving forward, and you're just stuck? This is not just a story. This is your story. Aarav was known as a normal guy. Not too smart, not too weak, just average. But inside, he was fighting a battle no one could see. Every day, he woke up with a list of things he wanted to do. Study harder, learn new skills, improve his life. But somehow, the day always slipped away. He would sit with his books open, but his mind would wander. He would pick up his phone just for a minute, and hours would pass. At night, guilt would hit him hard. Why am I like this? He would think. Everyone is moving forward, and I'm stuck. He saw his friends achieving things, getting better marks, learning new skills, growing in life. And he felt like he was running in circles. One day, it became too much. He closed his books, looked at himself in the mirror, and said, "I'm tired of this version of me." But deep inside, he knew something important. He didn't need motivation. He needed discipline. So the next morning, he tried something different. No big goals, no unrealistic plans, just one simple promise. I will study for 30 minutes, no excuses. It sounded small, almost pointless, but he did it. The next day, he did it again. Some days were hard. Some days he failed, but he didn't stop. Days turned into weeks, and slowly, something changed. He wasn't perfect. He still got distracted. He still had bad days. But now, he was consistent. And consistency started building confidence. Months later, Aarav looked back and realized he wasn't stuck anymore. He had moved forward. Not in giant leaps, but in small, steady steps. And that made all the difference. He finally understood something most people don't. You don't fail because you're weak. You fail because you expect instant results. Real growth is quiet. It's slow. And sometimes it feels invisible. But it's always happening, if you don't quit. Moral: you don't need to change your life in one day. Just don't give up on yourself every day.